Opening the quarantine door involves solving a kind of puzzle, and the first thing that you need to do is enter each of the 6 zones within inside the lab area. You don't even have to play each game, you can just go in and then press the return to labs button and come straight back out. Now when you come out of each zone, you'll notice a beam of light that appears on top of each section, and this is housed in these large orb things. Once you can see all 6 beams, then go to this area where you can change your avatar, and to the left of this area you'll see a set of stairs. You can figure the rest out yourself here, or keep watching and I'll show you what to do next. At the top of the stairs you'll see 2 batteries on the floor, and you need to put these into the crane engine. Now go to the crane controls area and you'll see a map of the whole layout of the lab, showing each zone and 6 glowing dots which are the orb beams in each zone, and coloured lines which show you where all the orbs need to go. You can only see 3 here because at this point I'd only activated 3 beams. And you have 2 levers to control the crane, one that moves the crane forwards, backwards, left and right, and the other one that raises the crane magnet up and down. So lower the magnet down onto each orb and then move the orb by following the lines and put it in its designated place. Once you do this, the quarantine door will unlock on the map. And now go down to the quarantine door and press the button. Close the door and then climb up into this control room here, and this is where your new adventure begins. Leave a thumbs up and a comment if you found this useful. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.